All right, Vishal Baristo joins us from Srinagar. Vishal, good morning. Get us a sense of the situation at present. What are you witnessing on ground? We tell our viewers that situation is slowly turning to normal. Get us more. What are you witnessing there?
Priti, I am smiling and that says it all. A very good morning to you. Yesterday night has been largely peaceful according to the army sources. There has been no action either on the international border or at the LOC. So last night I could sleep properly and that is why the smile is there. But always we cannot trust Pakistan, and that is why the security forces, that includes the Indian Army, Indian Air Force and also Indian Navy, they are all in high alert mode. They are all in operational mode, and let me tell you that the Operation Sindoor is not over. Meanwhile, talking about the DGMO meeting, DGMO is the Director General Military Operations, which is expected to be held today at 12 noon. So let's hope for the best, and whatever comes out will decide the future course of action. Now, when we talk about DGMO, DGMO is the Lieutenant General level officer. He is the Director General of the military operations. But there are weekly meetings which are held between the Directorate General of military operations and an officer of the rank of colonel or a brigadier holds a telephonic meeting. But this meeting is very important because it would decide the future course of action, and it would be held between the Director General Military Operations of India and Director General Military Operations of Pakistan. So we are all waiting for that meeting, but as of now, peace prevails in the valley or at the LOC, at the IB, which is the international border. There are no reports of any incursion from across the border, and largely it is peaceful. Preeti?
Peaceful. Vishal, what are you witnessing in the markets there? We tell our viewers that the markets are reopening. What is it? You must have interacted with the people there. What is it that you're gauging? Though you tell us that the situation is getting better, since yesterday, what is it that you are witnessing in the commonplace areas of Jammu and Kashmir?
Well, Preeti, though it has been a peaceful night, but still the apprehensions are always there. You can never trust Pakistan because history tells us how they have betrayed India time and again. They have gone back on their word. They have never respected their words. They can never be trusted. The trust factor we have already lost, and what happened after an agreement was reached, an understanding was reached, rather not an agreement, and an understanding was reached between India and Pakistan, where when their DGMO called our DGMO and requested for a ceasefire, that let's hold our guns. But then we saw how their drones they were seen in the Indian territory and in Srinagar as well. So that created a lot of disturbance. So the Indian armed forces are always on the alert, and yesterday it was also briefed in detail as to what can happen then, because now any course of action by the enemy across the border would mean war, and it is very clear. This has been declared on a record, on camera, and now it is going to be worse. Pakistan will have to face the music like what India did. It was a very guarded approach by the Indian armed forces. It has been time and again repeated that we have already only targeted the terror camps, not the military installations and not the civilians. But if Pakistan does anything now, then it would be an all-out war, and that would be disaster for Pakistan.
All right, Vishal, we leave it here. Thank you so much for joining in with those details.